Scientists have spotted one of the smallest planets ever discovered outside our solar system, a scorching hot world a bit larger than Mars and just about as dense as pure iron zooming around its home star every 8 hours. Named GJ367b, it is the smallest exoplanet to be so precisely characterized. It has a diameter of about 5,600 miles, 9,000 kilometers, compared to Earth's 7,900 miles, 12,700 kilometers, and the 4,200 miles, 6,800 kilometers, of Mars. Its mass is 55% that of Earth. GJ367b orbits its star once every 7.7 hours, placing it in a category of ultra-short period exoplanets that travel around their home stars in less than 24 hours. One side of GJ367b probably faces its star at all times, with surface temperatures up to about 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit, 1,500 degrees Celsius.
For daily video updates, subscribe to Only Facts.